Introduction to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Object Storage. Hello. I'm having a hard time staying ahead of the demand for storage. I'm looking for a storage service that can help me store my growing data durably and cost-effectively. I've been hearing a lot about the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Object Storage. Can you tell me more about this service?
Sure. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Object Storage is an internet-scale, highly durable, and highly available storage service. It's ideal for storing unstructured data. Data is stored as objects in buckets. A bucket is a logical container that groups objects together. A bucket is associated with a single compartment, which in turn has policies that indicate what actions a user can perform on a bucket and all the objects in the bucket. You can access this service via the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Service Console, SDK, or CLI.
How can I estimate how much storage I should purchase upfront?
You don't need to make any upfront storage purchases. Object storage is elastic. You only pay for what you use. You can seamlessly scale your storage footprint as your need to store data scales. You can store an infinite amount of data in the object storage, create thousands of buckets per account, and store an unlimited number of objects per bucket. An object can be as large as 10 terabyte.
Wow, you can really store large files. Uploading a 10 terabyte file can take a really long time. Are there any techniques that I can leverage to efficiently upload such large files?
You can use the multi-part upload feature to efficiently upload large files. You can segment your file into smaller parts and then upload these parts in parallel. Object storage supports up to 10,000 parts per file, and a part can be as small as 10 megabyte. Using multi-part upload not only significantly reduces the upload time, but also minimizes the impact of network failures. If a part fails to upload for any reason, you can retry to upload the part instead of having to upload the entire file.
What about durability? How durable is the data stored in the object storage?
Data stored in the object storage is very durable. Multiple copies of an object are stored redundantly across multiple availability domains in a given region. Data integrity is monitored using checksums. Any drop in redundancy is auto-detected and remedied immediately, without any customer impact.
What about security? How secure is my data in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Object Storage?
Object storage supports server-side encryption. All data stored in object storage is automatically encrypted. Data is uploaded and downloaded from object storage over SSL endpoints using the HTTPS protocol. By default, only authenticated users that have explicitly been granted access to specific resources can access data stored in the object storage. The service is tightly integrated with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Identity and Access Management. For an additional layer of security, you can encrypt objects prior to sending them to object storage. That gives you total control over not only your data, but also the encryption keys that are used to encrypt the data.
That sounds great. How can I share my data stored in the object storage with others?
You can make a bucket public to share data with others. Anyone with knowledge of the public bucket name and associated namespace can anonymously read data stored in a public bucket. With public buckets, you can also list objects or retrieve the object metadata. If you do not wish to make a bucket public, you can use pre-authenticated requests or Identity and Access Management, or IAM, policies to share data. These two options offer a more secure means of sharing data with others as compared to public buckets.
When do you recommend using object storage?
Some typical use cases include big data, backup or archive, and content repository. Big data. Object storage offers a scalable storage platform, which enables you to not only store large datasets, but also operate seamlessly on it. Optimized for high throughput, you can share the stored data widely with moderate latency. Backup or archive. Backup or archive data is typically written once and read many times. The durability and low-cost characteristics of object storage make it a perfect platform to store long-living data. Content repository. The object storage supports any content type, images, logs, and video. You can reliably store this data for a long time, and the storage scales seamlessly without performance degradation. You can also access this content directly from object storage.
That's great. How about a quick demo on how to use object storage?
Sure. Log into the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure portal. In the console, click Object Storage under Storage. The object storage uses buckets to organize your data. To use the object storage, you need to create a bucket first and then add data files. Click Create Bucket. Enter the bucket name. The name cannot be changed once the bucket is created. The name can contain letters, numbers, dashes, and periods. Select a storage tier. Standard is the default primary object storage tier. Archive is a special tier for data to which you do not need immediate access. Click Create Bucket. The bucket is created. Either click the bucket name or click the Actions icon and then click View Bucket to view its details. The service supports individual files up to 10 terabytes. You can use the console to upload files up to 5 gigabytes or smaller. For larger files, use SDK, CLI, or REST API. Click Upload Object. Follow the prompts in the Upload wizard to browse, choose, and upload the objects. The object is uploaded. Once the object is uploaded, you can see a listing of all the objects that have been uploaded to the bucket.
Great! Thanks for sharing all this information.
You're welcome. Please go to the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure portal to learn more. Be sure to sign up for the free trial and get started right away.